Hello everybody! Welcome to this video. We will find out how to take care of acne using natural cures and natural remedies just following a correct diet. The appearance of acne is one of the many symptoms that tell us that our body is out of balance. But is there a real anti-acne diet that gives you the opportunity to keep the problem at bay? Let's find out how to improve the health of our skin through nutrition. Acne is a skin problem in which the hair follicle and the associated gland produce an excess of sebum, that is, that fatty liquid that helps make the skin appear oily. Inflammation causes pores to become clogged and create the very unsightly pimples and blackheads. In case of acne, it is possible to intervene in different ways, both from outside and from the inside. Certainly, a good advice is to pay attention to what you put on the table, that is, the foods you eat every day. But is there a real anti-acne diet? Let's say that is more a question of increasing some categories of food, limiting or completely eliminating others, capable of increasing the degree of inflammation of the skin. Anti-acne diet: what to eat and what to avoid. It seems that the Alaskan Eskimos, African tribes and other populations around the world who do not consume refined and processed food do not know the acne problem. Of course, a clean environment, a lifestyle with less stress and other variables also play an important role in preventing the appearance of acne. We cannot act on many things, but on others we can, and one of them is food. Among the foods to eat most often when suffering from acne, there are some macro categories. Zinc-rich foods. This mineral, whether used externally or taken with the diet, has natural anti-inflammatory properties and inhibits the bacteria that cause acne. Including zinc-rich foods in our diet, therefore, is extremely good. Therefore, go ahead to the consumption of beans, pumpkin seeds, quinoa, almonds, egg yolk, and more. Foods rich in omega-3. In case of acne, it is good to reduce the intake of omega-6 in favor of the omega-3 contained in fish, but also in foods of plant origin such as flax seeds and chia seeds. The seeds can be added daily to salad, smoothies, vegetable yogurt, or wherever you prefer. Probiotic foods. Foods rich in the probiotic substances, for example fermented foods, help the work of the intestine by helping to decrease inflammation, which also benefits the skin. Fruits and vegetables. For those suffering from acne, but for everyone, the advice is to follow a natural diet, in which always present must be fresh and seasonal food, such as fruit and vegetables, but also nuts and seeds, as well as whole grain and legumes. Among the foods to limit or avoid, there are the following categories. Milk and derivatives. Milk is rich in growth hormones, which means that it not only grows the good things, but also the less good things that are found in our body. An acne situation can therefore worsen by increasing inflammation. The only exemption can be made for whole white yogurt, which contains probiotics and is sugar-free. High glycemic index foods. A low glycemic index diet can help with acne. This is due to the fact that having an excess of insulin in the blood can stimulate the sebaceous gland to produce more oil. This is why white flour, refined cereals, sugar drinks, sweets and all the other products in which sugar is hidden should be avoided. Foods rich in iodine. Acne can also be linked to an excess of iodine in the diet. Therefore, iodized salt, seaweed, and Japanese food should be avoided. Fatty foods. In order not to promote acne, it is also necessary to ban 2 fatty foods from your diet, especially those rich in saturated fat. Alcohol and spirits. In case of acne, it is better to avoid alcohol in all its forms. Even this substance, in fact, increases the degree of inflammation of the body. Anti-acne diet. Other tips. Other useful tips for those who want to follow anti-acne diet are: eat slowly. Drink lots of water to help eliminate toxins, do not overdo the portions, always read the product label, avoid junk food and packaged food, snack to maintain proper blood sugar levels, evaluate with an expert the possibility of using natural anti-acne supplements or remedies. We remind you that each person's body is different and that, therefore, any possible anti-acne diet should be calibrated according to your needs. Under the supervision of an expert, it could be, therefore, useful to experiment with the diet that works best on your specific case, also taking into account any allergy or intolerance. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you had a great time. See you on the next video and remember to subscribe our channel to be updated.